everybody, this is Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I clean and disinfect my eyeshadow palettes. You can do your eyeshadows, you can do any of your powder, pressed powders this way. I was sent this as a gift from a subscriber friend, and I wanted to clean it up and so I can use it, and here I am just touching it, but I've already wiped off the outside, but I'll show you again. I use, like, get in here, Clorox wipes. There we go. It's like Clorox wipes. I'm looking upside down, so I bet that was upside down to you. Let me turn this around. There you go. And what I do, I love Clorox wipes. When the virus first hit and people started stocking up, I could not find Clorox wipes anywhere, and those I have to have. I use them all around my house. So yeah, so I just wipe off real good, just the outside with the Clorox wipes. And I'm sorry guys, I am going to work upside down to you. There we are. Now I'm going to open it up. Now, I'm just going to wipe off the inside, top of the mirror, and this is very clean. When it came to me very clean. So, she probably already cleaned it herself. But I'm just going to carefully just go down the edges of this with the Clorox wipe. I should have gotten some Q-tips to go in between. There we go. There we go. Now, one thing you can do if you have hard pan is take a piece of Scotch tape, lie it on there, and then rip it up. You can also do that on all your shadows if you really want to be extra careful. I think I'm going to be okay. What I'm going to do is I put some alcohol into a spray bottle. Now, I recycled a bottle. This is not the Versali Skin Dew. It's been cleaned out and it now has just alcohol in it. And what I do, spray, is I lightly spray over that. Let me wipe this mirror off again. And then I just let it sit and let it dry. And that's all you really have to do to clean your palettes, to disinfect them. I actually even clean my palettes ever so often, at least once a year. Just cause. Just cause I can. But yeah, I will leave this open and let this dry. And that alcohol should kill any kind of germs that are on your palette. So, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, or maybe you already knew this. I did have a request for this video, so that's how I do it. That's how I clean my palette. So, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.